TABOSAURus is a theropod dinosaur in the family with the T-Rex or Tyrannosaurus Rex. TABOSAURus. It looks just like. Sorry, what I meant to say, he was 12 feet long. He's a very long dinosaur. He could also crouch back forward. He has all this nice detail on his back, and the bottom of his jaw is very nice. Ah, he got my ear, man. Get him off. Yeah, he can move his arms as well. Very nice. He got a strong bite force. And there's a button that you can move his mouth with. And he could turn his head when you move his tail. Very nice. Yeah, he's cool and all. Very awesome dinosaur. I thought he was a T-Rex. No, he isn't. And also, he could smell with his nose, but he only has a velociraptor's head in his mouth. He's also 7 feet tall. Almost. So yeah. Very awesome dino. Here he is with spiky mouth. Another one from Jurassic World. Velociraptor, a different dinosaur figure. Dilophosaurus as well. Superhero Masters T-Rex. Yes, from Hasbro. Oh yeah, his cousin. Here is Yoga Bologna, Marvel Legends, Black Widow. Here is Blur's Transformers Studio Series. Yeah. Yep, he's very nice. I like the spikes that he has. Everywhere, down to his tail. Very awesome. Yeah, he's a big dude. Huge. This guy was supposed to be a T-Rex. No, slash, he's not a T-Rex. He's a TABOSAURus, okay? I looked it up. Definitely 10 out of 10. No problems. Very awesome dino. He can move parts as well. Move his legs, his arms, tail, and head. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace. For the next one, we're going to review Liu Kang Mortal Kombat 11. Yes, very awesome.